welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to see the eliminate entries of plants, plant versus zombie. Today we are going to do the day plants, so let's start. How can a single plant grow and shoot many bees so quickly? Teacher would say. What dwarf commitment and healthy weren't well balanced source of sunlight and high fiber carbon dioxide make it all possible. Sunflower can't resist bouncing bees. The beat which beat is that why the life-giving jazzy rhythm of the earth itself things that the frequency only sunflower can hear. Four says study one, no let's read it said. Says his brother study two. After intense consultation, they agree to coordinate. Okay. Which one is study one? Which one is study two? People wonder how I feel about getting constantly chewed on by zombies says Leonard. What they don't realize is that with my limited sense, all series kind of tingling like a relaxing background. Some folks says Potato Man is lazy that he leaves everything to the last minute. Potato Man says nothing, he's too busy thinking about his investment strategy. What investment? So Substance tells Snoopy how cool he is and asks him to chill out. They tell him to stay frosty. Snoopy just solves while he heard a noise. They almost got a big during stunt in Hollywood, but felt so agent demanding too much on the front end. It not meant full through. He says it's just a part of the business. If yes, he on streets, he don't take attitude from the body plant or zombie. He should speak to keep people at a distance. Study to repeated young scholars. This video is very short, so we will do the all of the plan. I only recently became aware of the existence of zombies, especially like many fungi. I knew just they were fairy tales or movies. But this whole experience has been a huge eye-opener for me. Kanishiro hates sun. He hates it so much that when it builds up in his system, he it out as fast as he can. He just wants a big to him. Sun is trash. I was a dead end job producing these pots. The bakery sells Kyunchu and then washroom left. and told me about this great opportunity. Casting from this now, I really feel like I am making a difference. Despite today's restrictions and opinions, wants everyone to know that he left Britain and spent his off hours volunteering at a local county rehabilitation center. It's just the right thing to do these days. Yeah, okay. From that, our friend thought that International Day or badly were stored church who played a valuable role in our ecology. We can and should do more to bring them down to our way of thinking. Is their whispers steady humor fairly or people go away? I don't want to see anybody unless the man from the circus. Who is the man from the circus? I saw on not because he is unhappy, but because he is approved that because of a childhood injury that his facial muscles paralyzed. You are lucky I am on your side, says Rinshu. I could destroy everything you hold. I wouldn't be hard. More on the first stage. Lillipad never complains. Lillipad never wants to know that what's going on. Put a plant on top of he won't say a thing. Dog he has said. He opens a shopping secret. No knows. Peter keeps it inside. I am ready. Yes, gosh, let's do it. Put me in. There's nobody better. I am your guy. Come on. What you're waiting for? I need this. Keep it like sleeping back on long periods of immobility in the past. People enjoy going to shows, particularly modern jazz. I am just looking for that special someone. He says three Peter. The number is five. Five? I am totally invisible. Tangle that in himself. I will hide here just below the cliff and nobody will see me. His friends tell him they can see him perfectly well, but he will never see him. Thanos said he's not going to, not this time, but soon. Oh, so soon it's close. He knows it. He can feel it. His whole life is been leading up to this moment. He's psychic session. He's got box seat season ticket. He lost track of his favorite player and he constantly keeps up in the office coffee pool. Stone problem he started what's everybody likes and respects Joshua. They like him for his integrity, for his steadfast friendship, for his ability to greatly maximize the damage the creature he can eat. Cannot eat. People wondered if there rivalry between walnut and walnut. Walnut says, "Orange body don't laugh." How could there be anything between us or brothers if you know what Walnut has done for me? Walnut's voice trailed off and he was not so he should never seen the sea in his name. He heard lots about it, but his just never found and one day too it will go down. Planted the fire signs he just does. Other plants eat light and create oxygen. Planter eat darkness and escape light. Planter cages is about how he does it. I am not gonna say sorcery. I wouldn't use the term dark force. I think I have said enough. Quickly, sure, but Cactus spikes barely a spongy heart filled with love and goodwill. He just wants to hug and be hugged. Most folks can't hang with that, but Cactus don't mind. He's been seeing an armadillo for a while and it really seems to be working out. When Grover was 5, he got a shiny new birthday cake. Grover made his wish perfect, but was able to extinguish only 50% of the candle. Instead of giving up, though he used that early defeat as a catalyst to push himself harder ever since. Yeah, I am a Gemini split pea. I know big flash, but having two heads or really one the large head like this in my life brought on the bad pave of pig in my line of sight. Oh man, says Starfoot, to went to the dentist the other day and he said I have four teeth. I have got counted one tooth, four cavities in one tooth. How does he have them? He never heard from his cousin and feels greatly pleased and big star some kind of what was it so zero. Several masters in does not really get it, he just doing his job. Yes. Nitrogen is a powerful force, very powerful. Sometimes it scares magnets A little he he's not sure if he can handle that kind of responsibility. No, cabbage salt is okay with launching cabbages at Dominic. It was paid for after all, and he's good at it. Yes, doesn't understand how they always get out to the roof in the first place. Yes, we need to use a helicopter. I am about for planting, yet I am also a plant. Has your mind exploded yet? Yes. Colonel Salt is the eldest of the four brothers. Of the three of them, Colonel is the only one who constantly remembers the others. Today he talks them about it a little too. He guys, he says fucking he what's up with that? Hey, did you see that thing? Oh, what thing? Lion in sort of that. The isn't just Alex possession. It's his passion. He survived and a promised decorate in Egyptian from the South University. He will talk all day about the Lenny church and the people who raise. He even pushes things into alternative adventures at home. Somehow his wife puts up with it. The says umbrella leaves did you like that? I can do it again. Do that. We pick up to the stuff on me, yeah, just like that. Exactly like that. Believe it. You spend a lot of time deciding whatever to take out a silver coin or a gold. He thinks about it. He just he does a solid research and keeps up with current publication. That's how beginners stay ahead. Just go and that's it. Well, no talks modesty with melon balls and for damage. I deliver the biggest punch. Delon, he says, I am not bragging. Run the numbers, you will see. Telling his parents work and when he announced his intention to join the military. But honey, it's so dangerous, they said in Nixon, telling he refused to budge his dangerous. He replied, I selecting with steely conviction. It was a failed night of forbidden signs that brought in sunflower into distance. They crashed over head, strange lights flickered, even the very rolling wind seemed to whisper its angry denial. But to no avail, Winfrey was alive. you look like a sketch. I always enjoy releasing heavy fumes, just bloom shoom. I know a lot of people aren't cool with that. They say it's a root cause or just that it feels bad. All I can say is, would you rather have your brain eaten by zombies? They scattle, woof, 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 does this. You do expect me to say meow like a cat just because what cat is in my name, and I also look like a cat. That's not how things work around here. I refuse to be pigeonholed. Melon tries to calm his nerves. He hears the zombies approach. He says it will, he won't make it. So that's it for this video. Bye.